Hey, so y'all, today I'm going to be showing you guys my morning and nighttime routine for pretty much all my curly hairstyles, and just because I'm going to go ahead and throw in my skincare routine too. I actually partnered with Walmart on this video for their Here for Every Beauty campaign to showcase the new era of beauty industry that celebrates individuality and inclusivity today, whereas in the past, things like melanin and natural hair were not highlighted in beauty ads and campaigns. So I went on the walmart.com website under the Here for Every Beauty link, which is going to be in the description box, and I grabbed a little bit of some old stuff and some new. So I restocked up on my Cream of Nature Pure Honey collection, and to keep the honey thing rolling, I grabbed a few things out of the honey collection by Earth to Skin. Alright, so real quick, because I know y'all gonna want to know how I achieved this bomb twist out you're gonna see. I started on freshly shampooed hair, and I followed that up with the mask out of the Cream of Nature Pure Honey collection. I left that on for about 30 minutes with my deep conditioning cap. Then I followed it up with the Knot Detangler out of that collection as well. And finally, for the styler, I used the Twist Cream, and I'm doing a 2-strand twist today. And once again, these products can be found on walmart.com, and they now have a 2-day shipping option on the website. And if you're anything like me and you don't like big crowds and long lines, you can do the same day pickup option on the walmart.com website, where they basically shop for you and you just go pick it up in store. And that's exactly what I did to get these products today. Alright, so this is the next day and I'm all dry, and this is my final look. Told y'all the twist out was bomb and y'all was going to want to know the details. Okay, so on to what you guys came here for. Now, this is the end of day 1, and for my hair, I'm just going to show you guys my nighttime routine. It's super simple. All I do is put these scrunchies in my head. So when I first started this routine, my hair was a little bit shorter, and I did about 6. The longer my hair gets and the more stretched out my hair gets, the less that I need. So I'm now down to just 4. If you feel like you have shorter hair than me, you may want to do more scrunchies. If you have like a TWA or you're in like that in-between stage, you can also go ahead, take a scarf, tie it around just like the perimeter of your hair, lift it up a little bit so when you lay down, it does not get smushed. So as far as my skincare routine, I don't think I have the best skin. In fact, my face has actually been breaking out this month, but people always ask me about my skincare routine, so I'm just going to give you guys it. So starting off, I go ahead and remove my makeup. I use the Waterproof Micellar Water and a cotton round to go ahead and just wipe off all my eye makeup and go ahead and start removing some of that foundation and concealer off my face. So first up is the Earth to Skin Honey MANUKA Calming Face Cleanser, and I'm using it with the So Fresh So Clean Power Brush, which is also from Walmart too. And I just go through, take my time, and just go through and massage my face with a brush. This actually feels really, really good. It's also a gentle exfoliant, and I just love doing this from time to time. I don't do it every day because I don't want to make my skin raw, but maybe like once a week I'll go through with a facial brush and just get all that dead skin and that extra oil off of my face. So like every day I go through and make sure I thoroughly remove all the product and makeup off of my face. But tonight I'm treating myself to these luxury products here. This is the Earth to Skin Honey Royal Jelly Sheets Pack, and I'm using the yellow one tonight. And I try to do some sort of mask weekly, but the way my life has been set up lately, I'm lucky if I get one in once a month. So this really is a treat for my face tonight. So I like sheet masks, but I also like charcoal face peels, and I like mud masks too. And now it's time to tone. So this is the Calming Toner by the same brand. What toner does, it helps remove extra impurities, really get all that dirt and grime off your face. It also soothes the skin after cleaning and provide an extra layer of protection. Toner is also good to help fade dark spots and discoloration. Normally I use aloe vera, but I love this so much that this is probably going to replace my aloe vera. I really like this honey. It made my face feel really like firm and smooth and supple after I put it on my face. Now moving on to the serum part. This is the Honey MANUKA All Over Serum with hyaluronic acid. This helps with moisturizing skin and making sure my skin stays supple. It also treats and heals acne bumps and scars. It makes the scars go away faster. And I actually just found out about these facial rollers. This is the EQUATE Beauty brand's Rose Quartz roller. My girl Ashley as I call her, she uses them and her skin looks really good, so I wanted to try them out. I looked up the benefits of them. They're supposed to improve skin elasticity, blood circulation, help with wrinkles and fine lines, which I ain't really worried about because this black thing really cracking over here. But what got my attention is it helps with evening out the skin and it helps with puffy eyes. I don't get a lot of sleep, y'all, so my eyes get puffy. So I did notice that after I used this the next day, my eyes were a little bit less puffier. So I don't know if it was just a coincidence or I was looking out for it, but I will be trying this, and I'll let y'all know if I'm going to continue to use this or not. And if you're interested in these products, this Earth to Skin brand is on the walmart.com website, and you can get it right in the description box under the Here for Every Beauty link. On the campaign page, there is skincare, hair care, makeup, cosmetics, fragrances, and there's also health products on there. They also have some fall trends and some exclusive bestsellers that they pulled out for this particular campaign. And now my nighttime routine is officially complete for my hair and my skin. I'm about to go ahead and hit the sheets. Oh, wait a minute, girl. I forgot one very important thing when it comes to my hair routine. My silk pillowcase. I don't go anywhere to sleep without my silk pillowcase. I don't care if I'm traveling, at home, over my boyfriend's house. It doesn't matter. I'm bringing my silk pillowcase. I only sleep with my head on silk pillowcases. It helps a lot with reducing frizz and breakage. Alright, y'all, so this is the next day, and I just take these scrunchies off, shake up my hair, fluff it, and go, girl. That's it. Like, real simple, right? No extra products or over manipulation. I'm actually a firm believer that properly moisturized hair will last you for more than one day, so you do not have to be retwisting your hair or adding a bunch of extra products. And I feel like if you do have to add extra products to retain moisture every single day, you may want to check out my video on how to properly moisturize hair, friend, because I don't think you properly moisturizing your hair. But that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. Let me know what other kind of routines and videos you guys want to see from me. Bye!